Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Gemini and selecting the Photo Hug feature. This is where you take control. First, sign in with the Google account that stores your images and make sure camera and photo permissions are granted. Once done, pick an existing photo or switch to live camera input, tap Photo Hug to initialize the detection pipeline, and position the subject. This step primes the model to read pose and facial cues, so that subsequent adjustments feel natural and intentional. Next, refine how the hug will look. You manipulate pose anchors to lock arm placement, torso orientation, and head tilt so the embrace appears believable. Then choose a strength level between 0 and 100%, lower for subtle tweaks and higher for dramatic hugging posture. Also, make lighting and color adjustments via presets or manual sliders. This ensures highlights and shadows match the scene. As you do this, preview frames in real time and make micro adjustments until the pose, depth, and color read as one coherent photo. To finish, render a full-resolution preview and scan for unnatural limb intersections or lighting mismatches. Use undo or incremental saves to protect versions. Export the final image as PNG or JPEG and choose whether to keep metadata for provenance. If you hit issues, like misaligned arms or missing textures, rerun pose anchors, lower strength, or regrant camera and storage permissions. Often a quick restart of the app clears transient processing bugs. One troubleshooting tip: toggle the pose anchors off and back on to recalibrate alignment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.